English loanwords in Bikol are far more recent than Spanish, but because of the widespread use of English as a medium of instructions in schools, a large number of words have entered Bicol in most educational and professional fields. The following general rules have been adopted in the spelling of English words. The spelling has been changed to fit the general pronunciation. It has been suggested the following word is of English derivation. There are cases where brand name has been adopted for the general name of its contents. When an English word is used mostly by the educated or the young and has only begun to gain widespread use and acceptance, the word is generally written in its English spelling. Those words are followed by the symbol E to indicate the pronunciation in Bicol is the English pronunciation. In few cases, the spelling has been regularized in minor ways. When English words begin with an S followed by another consonant, the Bicol speaker will usually place an I sound before the consonant cluster, like small, small, smuggle, smuggle, straw, straw. When these bases are made into verb forms which have reduplication, it is the I which the Bicol speaker adds that is reduplicated. The infinitive or command form of ismagol is mag-ismagol. The conjugation is as follows: future, maismagol; progressive, nag-iismagol; past, nag-ismagol. The F is not included in our list of sounds. We have written all words with F as P. The V is also not included in our list of sounds. We have written all words with V as B. The SY has been used on our sound chart to represent the sound SH. The sequence TY has been used on our sound chart to represent TH as CH. The NY enters Bicol through Spanish loanwords. Such loans are written with NY in Bicol. The LY also enters Bicol through Spanish loan. These loans are written with LY in Bicol. Native words in Bicol contain a system of 3 vowels and 4 diphthongs. The I, A, and O or U. Ew, ow, I, ew, oi. Spanish words, however, have brought 2 new vowels in the language: E and O. Lente, eje, sencillo, tenis, evacuate, cobra, colgate, color, costumbre. Bicol contains the single sound I, which serves the purpose of the I and the E sounds in Spanish or English. As a result, the E sound in the Spanish or in English, particularly when the speaker is not familiar with these languages, is pronounced as I in Bicol, like lente, linti, eje, ihi, sencillo, sincillo, a menudo, a menudo, tenis, tinis, evacuate, evacuate. Bicol thus have both the sound of O and U. These sounds are generally pronounced as either one or the other according to the position in the word. The first is pronounced O only if it occurs in the last syllable of the word. The second is pronounced U only if it occurs in any syllable but the last of the word. As a result of the O sound written in Spanish or in English, which occur in any syllable, but the last syllable in the word will often be pronounced U by Bicol speakers. Example: cobra, cubra, color, color, costumbre, costumbre, colgate, colgate. Evacuate, cowboy, bulakbol, delco, colgate, Kleenex, small, smagol, straw, dipisil, convento, siert, tiek, baños, liabe, sencillo, lente, eje, sencillo, vaca, colker, costumbre.